All right, drink we're about to make is called Sauterne. Let's put some ice in a glass and measure out 2 ounces of champagne. And follow that up with 1 ounce of white wine, preferably Chablis white wine. And next we'll add ½ ounce of cognac and just a splash of orange liqueur. Okay, let's go ahead and just mix that back and forth a couple of times. Now this is really meant to be served as a punch for a lot of guests. If you do that, you're going to use 2 bottles of champagne, 1 bottle of Chablis white wine, 3 ounces of cognac, and 1½ ounces of Curacao. But this is the single serving version. Bottoms up.